Unlock the power of pre-built designs and launch your next website faster by learning how to copy and customize any Webflow template. To begin, head over to the Webflow website and navigate to the Templates section here. You'll find a vast library of professional designs ready for you to explore. Browse through the categories, or use the search bar to find a template that perfectly suits your project's needs. Once you've found the ideal template, click on it to see a preview and learn more about its features on the Templates page. You'll see a prominent button that says Duplicate to Webflow. Click this button. You'll be prompted to log into your Webflow account. If you aren't already, this action will instantly add a copy of the chosen template to your Webflow projects. Now, within your Webflow designer, you'll see the full template loaded as a new project. This is your starting point. You now have all the pre-built sections, styles, and layouts ready for you to modify. Simply click on any element text, images, buttons, or entire sections and start editing. Change the content, swap out images, adjust colors, and rearrange elements to match your brand and vision. The freedom to customize is entirely yours. Need to change the branding? Easily update fonts, colors, and spacing through Webflow's intuitive style manager. This makes rebranding a breeze and ensures your website has its own unique identity. Remember, a template is just a starting point. Feel free to delete sections you don't need, add new pages, and integrate your custom content. The possibilities are endless, and you can achieve professional results in a fraction of the time. So go ahead, explore the Webflow template library, duplicate your favorites, and begin building your dream website today with speed and style.